I ended up loving it. I ended up craving it, and my biggest fear was, how do I do this on my own?
Guys, it's been a great 8 weeks. I'm getting goosebumps because this is just another truth. All right, guys, we're back in the studio here for another great episode. You're with Jamie Graff and the BYBB Lifestyle. Be your best body, where we eat to heal. This is the final episode for Jeff Blue's 8 weeks. Let's hear it for Jeff Blue out there. All right, everybody. All right, that's a crowd we've got out there. Guys, this has been a fantastic journey for Jeff. He's here with us today. Let's bring him on out here. Jeff.
Yo.
How are you, sir?
Good.
Excellent.
That guy
That
cracks me up.
He's back. That guy's
Yeah.
back. So, guys, it's been a fantastic 8 weeks. Jeff, we are done with the BYBB Lifestyle Full Meal Challenge.
Yeah.
What would you say? How would you say it worked for you?
I loved it. I had such a good time. I mean, I felt like it was not just eating to heal, it was also an education. And a lot of things that you had, proposed to me, I thought were not accurate, and I researched all of them. I put it through the test, and they were definitely accurate. I feel great. There's nothing not to love, and I've through this, I've actually created my own concept of how I want to live my life, because my job entails such that I travel all the time. It's not as easy to keep a vegetarian lifestyle. And so I've been able to keep very, very lean with adding little bits of fish into mine, which would be pescatarian-ish, right?
Yes, correct.
And lean meat, I gave up red meat completely, and I feel so much more clear-headed, more energy, more focused. I'm remembering everything better. I never thought that could be accurate. Everybody's talking about keto diets. Everybody's talking about, you should do this, that, fasting, this. And this does include a little bit of fasting, I feel.
It does, because you're just eating 2 meals a day and a few snacks, and we're not eating as early in the morning. We're waiting till later on in the mid-morning, mid-afternoon for that first meal.
And the crazy thing is, I'm not as hungry as I used to be. Which feels good. I don't feel like I'm starving all the time. And if I do, I'll take some nuts as a snack or something like that, or some fruit. But it's just been a great transformation. I feel good. I like waking up in the morning and I'm like, don't feel bloated, and I can feel like, oh, I don't have that tummy in the morning.
That
It was just bloating. It wasn't fat really. It was just bloating, and it's not your body saying it's basically your body saying it doesn't like what's in it.
Exactly. You're just clogged up. It's the undigestible foods sitting in our intestines, sitting in our stomachs, that's just rotting away, causing us the awful gas, the awful breath, the awful...
Well, I don't have bad breath.
Armpit smell.
I don't smell it on. I don't have bad breath, and I don't have gas, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, for those of you out there that do, and the stinky feet, that all comes...
I blame it on my dog.
That all comes from what we eat. Yes, the 2 dogs that, as you guys have all seen. So that's great news to hear everything you're saying there. It really touches me that you had such a transformation, and that you want to incorporate this into your now, full busy life out there on the road, out there, dealing with everything you're dealing with. And, it's just important that, I'm taking these individuals who, as you heard him, he was skeptical about everything I did for him. He didn't want to believe it, so he had to do his own research, and the research that he read proved me right, proved that what we're doing here is the proper way for the body. And everybody's bodies are designed the same way. We all have cells, we all have organs. Some of us, unfortunately, are born with less of others, but we don't want to get into that. We just want to talk about how important it is to put these incredible foods into our bodies. And the reason, as he mentioned, he's not as hungry anymore, as we've talked about before, because we're overcompensating the body with so much nutritional value that all the cells in our body are happy. They're getting the nutrients needed, so we're not getting that hungry urge, which, as I've said before, when you do get it, that's just an organ, a cell saying, I need something to eat. I need some type of mineral.
Sometimes I do get hangry cells though.
Hangry cells. Boom. Guys, go back and watch all the other episodes. You'll hear it each and every week, how important it is to follow this type of lifestyle, the benefits that you get from it, the results that we're seeing right here just in a matter of 8 weeks. Now, in the beginning, 8 weeks seemed long. You're probably sad to see that it's over.
So the whole BIB lifestyle, the whole journey was about 2 months, but the first 3 days felt like 3 months. After that, all I was doing was I was calling Jamie, I'm out of food, I need food. I ended up loving it. I ended up craving it, and my biggest fear was, how do I do this on my own? In the last week that I spent with Jamie, he showed me. We went to the farmer's market. We got food is way cheaper than buying at the market, just the regular market. It's incredibly inexpensive and much healthier. None of the pesticides, none of that junk we're putting in our bodies. I was on a mission to eat to heal, eat to better myself, eat to feel better, and I owe it all to Jamie, the BIB lifestyle, be your best body.
Thank you, Jeff. Those words cannot have come out any more natural, any more affirmative than each and everyone else before you. You know, it's been an honor working with you. I hope we can continue our friendship outside of the BIB lifestyle. Guys, it's been a great 8 weeks. I'm getting goosebumps because this is just another true believer of what food truly does for the body. I hope all of you guys out there can get on board. Check out the website, www.biblife.com, BYBB, and that has my books, that has my root powders, my seed packs. It teaches you how to follow the BIB lifestyle. In the book, My Health, My Story, how I discovered the BIB lifestyle. That's through 30 years of experience in nutrition, fitness, health, my journey. The story's all there for you guys to read, and a step-by-step, page-by-page, with plenty of pictures to show you how to live this lifestyle. Jeff, I've got one more great thing for you. Each and every contestant gets a little bit of swag here. This is the BIB lifestyle shirt, as we've got for Jeff right here.
Too. And it's a nice, soft cotton.
100% pure cotton. Be your best body.
Be your best body.
That's a medium for a schmedium. So, for all of you guys out there, hit that like button, share it with your friends and family. Be a part of the BIB lifestyle.
Be your best body.
Be your best body.